drop it.
Yo guys, welcome to Crank It Up. Today we are going to be reviewing the world's best micro USB cable. Yeah guys, you heard it right. It's from a company called ANKER. It's a fast USB cable charger. Guys, it's mainly for S7 or S7 Edge, but it works with all devices with micro USB. First, let's open it up. It comes with a very good pouch or carrying case. You can keep any SD cards or anything in this pouch here. Here is the cable guys. It's nylon braided. This is full metallic. The USB ports are. Let's open it up. See here guys. It's metallic. It comes with this symbol. It's from a company called ANKER. It's a very good company guys. All the cable is very strong guys. You can see here. Let's see guys how fast it can charge the device, and let's check it out. I plugged the cable into my charger. See guys, it's charging up my device. See here guys, the phone was dead at first. Now within 20 seconds the phone booted itself. Guys, this micro USB cable is very fast guys. I recommend all of you to go and check out this product. It's a very fast USB cable. See guys, it's loading up now. The device is still charging. See guys, it's booted up. See guys, it's charging. See guys, it will take approximately 30 minutes to full charge this device with this micro USB cable guys. I tried out other cables and they take at least 45 minutes minimum. So guys, overall it's a very good product and it comes with the best casing or cover available in the market. Guys, this cable cost approximately $6. That is 350 Indian rupees. We'll put the link in the description. You guys can go and check it out.